Well, there are many resources for people struggling with drug addiction and even actions to combat drug activity. But still, we're seeing an increase in drug overdoses in Shelby County, the number already higher than last year. Our Brittany Moncrief takes a closer look at how fentanyl is playing a role in overdoses.
One hit can truly be the last.
Troubling and real. Since January 1st of this year, Shelby County Health Department suspecting 398 drug-related overdoses. Of that, 73 deaths.
I'm a person with lived experience of substance abuse problems. Back in 2006, I entered treatment.
Christopher Moore now works for the Cocaine and Alcohol Awareness Program, or CAP for short.
We are community-based treatment providers. Our goal, one of the most important goals of our program currently, is to connect with the indigent and uninsured.
And one of the biggest issues they've seen is with fentanyl.
We're encountering an increased trend of individuals who are under the impression that they're using one substance only to find out that it has been tainted with fentanyl and truly express shock related to the fact that fentanyl is in their system.
Accidental overdoses.
Now you're seeing just an increased prevalence of other illicit drugs on the streets, having fentanyl in them, which really creates some additional threats to those who maybe aren't really aware that what they're using really poses an imminent threat to their life in that moment. Fentanyl is dangerous in and of itself.
Last week alone, the county health department reported roughly 53 drug overdoses, the most common being between the ages of 30 and 40.
One of our most cherished messages to anyone in the streets using substances is you really need to take a long, hard look at what you're doing, because calculated use is a lie. There's no such thing as safe drugs on the street right now.
Point blank, period. In Memphis, I'm Brittany Moncrief.
Now, you can't tell if a drug has fentanyl in it by smelling, tasting, or looking at it. The Tennessee Department of Health says fentanyl test strips are the best way to find out if fentanyl is in the substance. Test strips help prevent overdose and death. Now, if you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, call the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration at 1-800-662-HELP.